Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Tell Me Why game for free via the Steam launcher. So without wasting time, here follow the steps. So first of all, open Steam, go to store, and inside the store search for Tell Me Why, and then click on Tell Me Why game. Then scroll down, and here you will see get Tell Me Why free to keep when you get it before 1st July 2026. And here you can see minus 100% discount and add to account. So click on add to account button, and then click on click to install now button. And here you can see Tell Me Why, and the file size is 18.01 GB. So click on install, then go to library, and here you can see that Tell Me Why game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope you can also follow the same steps to download and install Tell Me Why game for free via the Steam launcher. And you can download this game for free if you download this game before 1st July 2026, and you can keep this game in your account forever. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.